What's up, blockheads? Today we're in the garage and we're actually not working on a bike. Not that bike. And we're not working on that bike either. Today's video, as per the title, we're actually talking about doing an unboxing on some coffee. Now, this isn't just any old coffee. In this box is something that has inspired me quite a bit in my cinematography, in my filmmaking. This is a 3-pack of coffee plus an autographed, what they call the bucket shot from Peter McKinnon. So I talked to you guys a while back about finding inspiration, having role models, all that stuff. I've mentioned a photographer, a YouTuber named Peter McKinnon.
It's kind of like one of those things, like when you want to be better, it's like you need to have somebody to look up to, and really watching a lot of Peter McKinnon lately. So I've been learning an absolute ton.
He runs a YouTube channel, and it's been a huge source of inspiration for me to step up my cinematography, my videography game. Like right now, I'm using a DSLR with some awesome lenses. That's why we can get shots like that are nice and crispy. Paying attention to frame rates, paying attention to shutter speeds so that the videos look really good for you guys. So I was watching one of the videos and you know, I enjoy coffee, and they've got this company called James Coffee Company, and for a limited time they were offering the 3 roasts, and he was also autographing a print of his shot called the bucket shot.
We include like signed prints in every box, but this is the first time that we've the bucket shot has actually ever been printed. But it's the first and only time that I'll probably be printing the bucket shot. Saw the short film and you liked it. This is your chance to get a signed copy a signed copy that you can enjoy looking at with coffee.
If you guys don't know Get Lowered, they're a sponsor that I work with quite a bit. They sent me out a gift. I can't thank you guys enough over at Get Lowered for sending that my way. So yeah, I figured what better way to unbox this. Use my raptor claw to unbox it. A lot of you guys are probably asking, why don't you just use this knife to unbox? It's about the principle, guys, come on. All right. Oh, it smells delicious already. That's cool. I love the attention to detail. There it is, guys. Man, that is freaking beautiful. And we got the coffees. All right, guys, so there you go. You've got the Golden Hour blend, red berry, sweet cocoa, salted caramel. You've got the Magic Hour blend, toasted marshmallow, lemon zest, and graham cracker. And we've got the Blue Hour blend, milk chocolate, candied orange, and vanilla. So we're gonna brew up each one of these and we're gonna try them out. Man, the freaking branding and the product, like, that's just beautiful. Good job, PM. Vamos. Love it. Fly the flag. Let's go inside and brew some of these up. Have some delicious coffee. All right, guys, here we have a little coffee brewing setup. We have a grinder, a kettle, and a French press. All right, so we got our 3 blends here. So I talked to you guys a while back about finding inspiration in upping the quality of my videos, and a couple of the people that were inspirations to me, Peter McKinnon being one of them, Chase on 2 Wheels, I think I said Motonosity as well. And we were talking about different editing styles. And so making this coffee, we're gonna try a few different editing styles. So this one's gonna be Edgar Right. This one, we're gonna do Peter McKinnon editing style. And this one, we're gonna do How to Basic. All right, let's Edgar Right. All right, there we go. Golden hour blend. First sip. All right, so this one's red berry, sweet cocoa, and salted caramel. Definitely get the cocoa and a little bit of the caramel and like the aftertaste, I guess, like when you exhale. Not really picking up the berry part. Let's throw some cream in it. So occasionally I do drink my coffee black. Other times, you know, we do cream, sugar. So a little bit of cream. After cream and sugar, tastes like a coffee with cream and sugar. All right, next coffee up. Magic Hour blend. You guys will notice the lighting has changed because I was tired of that shit lighting. So enjoy the new crispy lighting. So with this one, we're doing the Peter McKinnon style. So we're gonna do really nice, smooth these, you know, a little of that, a little of this. All right, so this is the Magic Hour blend. Once again, toasted marshmallow, lemon zest, graham cracker. It's piping hot. We're gonna try it black. It's not as strong as the last one in terms of like, the roast isn't as, it doesn't feel as strong. Toasted marshmallow, lemon zest, and graham cracker. Maybe I'm picking up a little bit of the graham cracker. Not getting any of the lemon zest. Let's throw some cream and sugar in it. After cream and sugar, tastes like coffee with cream and sugar. So this one definitely isn't as full-bodied, I feel like. Still, very good. That's the Magic Hour. All right, guys, so last one here in the lineup from the James Times McKinnon Blue Hour blend. Says milk chocolate, candied orange, and vanilla. Anyways, this one we're doing the how to basic edit. If you guys don't know what that is, it's kind of like that food channel. So we're just gonna be stupid and it might get a little uncomfortable. All right, guys, so that's the Blue Hour blend. Go ahead and try it black. It's not as full bodied as the first one. I think I like the first one the best. It's milk chocolate, candied orange, vanilla. You can really like pick up on the milk chocolate and the fragrance of this one, like the aroma. So let's go ahead and add some cream and sugar to it.
Enjoy this one.
Alright, so after some cream and sugar, yeah, that's good. Diabetes for sure. Alright guys, that has been the video. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. This is my favorite, the Golden Hour blend. And this was probably my second favorite, the Blue Hour blend. Magic Hour, I think this is my favorite because to me it was like the most full-bodied, like strongest actually coffee tasting. They're all pretty good. Quite a different video, but you know, you can't limit that creativity. If you guys want to check out Peter McKinnon or James Coffee Company, check out the links down in the description below. Just a episode where we're talking about creativity and experimenting with some editing, trying some coffee. Let me know if you guys like this style episode where we're trying coffee. I mean, we don't have to do like the how to basic edit every time, but you know, maybe we'll make this like a normal thing where we're, you know, brewing some coffee, trying it out, giving some feedback about how it is and all that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon while you're over there so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.